Hello everyone. If you just stumbled across my series, it's called Work Gigs for a Fractured Economy. It's a compiled digital series for working class communities by me, Dr. Tiffany A. Flowers. So I started this series after having several conversations across platforms about people losing their jobs and not really knowing where to go. So if you get a chance, make sure you go back and watch gigs 1 through 5. This is gig 6. And get ready because I'm going to show you a really easy way that you can make some money. Take care. So the current job market reality is that so many people are losing their jobs. It's a situation where you may show up to work and you may be told at work that you no longer have a job, or you may show up to a door that has a sign on it. So if this is your current job market reality, this series is for you. Gig number 6, laundry attendant. You can work shifts in this position. The rate of pay is $16 to $20 per hour. You can work for a laundry business in various locations, such as laundromats, hotels, and hospitals. I hope this information helps. Qualifications. You need to know how to keep the machines clean. You need to know how to monitor the laundromat for safe use of machines. You also need to be able to follow directions and close the business each day. Where to find laundry attendant jobs? Indeed, ZipRecruiter, major hotel chains, and of course, cruise lines. Please check out the links in the description section for job opportunities. You will find job sites, websites, and temp agencies which offer opportunities. Please subscribe to my channel for more content at Tiffany A. Flowers. Take care.